Is Apple ID grayed out on iPhone? Hey there, this is Eve, and here is what you can do if the Apple ID setting is grayed out on your iPhone. To solve this issue, here are some quick troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. Solution 1, turn off the restriction. Open Setting, scroll down to the Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restriction. Scroll down, tap Account Changes, select Allow. Solution 2, reset all settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset, tap Reset all settings. Note that this will reset all your personalized settings to default values, so you must set them up again. After this, your problem will be solved. If none of these steps resolve the issue, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.